Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to actually deposit funds into GPBots. I'm also going to show you how to do a withdrawal to your bank account, and as you can see on the screen, I've earned another $104.88. Now what I'm going to do today is I'm going to withdraw all of that to my bank, and then I'm going to put half of that from my bank back into GPBots. So the two bank accounts that I'm using WireX, and you'll find a link for this below. As you can see, I'm in the UK, so I've got £283 in there. And the other account I've got is Wise. I use this as a day-to-day bank account, okay? It's a bank account for me in the UK. You can have it in the dollars. You can actually have it 50 currencies here. You can just set up as many. I've got a dollar one set up because I've got another program where I earn dollars and they pay into this bank account for me. But you can see I use this as a day-to-day. I've got an Amazon payment there, did some shopping in Sainsbury's, and if I look through all the transactions, as you can see there, I sent £1,000 to my wife yesterday. That's gone towards our holiday that we booked, so that all my holiday's being paid from my earnings of what I earn online. I upgraded my StreamYard account, as you can see there, $25, and I've got Sainsbury's and so on down the bottom there. Paid my AWeber account, went on the underground. So I've got lots of things going on inside this account, but that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is withdrawing your funds out of here and depositing new funds from outside. So let's just go through the withdrawal first. I'm going to click on withdraw because I've got 104 there. And if I go back to my Wise, you can see I've got £283.73. So I'm going to withdraw all of this to my bank account. Okay, so it's going to withdraw USTD for me on the Tron blockchain. There's a 2% fee, and I'm going to withdraw 104.88. So withdraw that. So if I go back to dashboard here, you can see that that's gone down to zero, and if you look here, this says 76.46. so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to this balance. I'm going to put another $50 in here. So inside my account, so I can add funds here. Now I can either add traditional currencies like the Great British Pounds in my case, but obviously you could add dollars or euros depending on where you are in the world, or you can add digital currencies, which is your cryptocurrencies. Well, I'm going to assume that you haven't got any crypto and you want to get into GPBots and you don't have any crypto, because you need to deposit crypto in here, and you can deposit either Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, USTD on the Binance Smart Chain, USTD on the Tron blockchain, or you can deposit BUSD. You've got this company up here, I've never used it, which says a bank transfer, but I think that's going to take 2 to 3 days for that to get in, and I want to show you how to do it instantly. And so what I'm going to do, come back to my Wise account, and there's two ways I can do this. I click on the button and say add funds, and I want to add Great British Pounds in my case. Yours might be dollars or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to click on the British Pounds. Now I've got two ways that I can add it. I can do a bank transfer using the funds by connecting my banking app. So I could connect my banking app. So if you've got a banking app, you can connect that and you can add the funds that way. Well, I'm not going to do that way. I'm going to do the regular bank transfer. So I'm going to get my bank account details. I'm going to choose a bank transfer, and I've got now my account details here. So all I need to do is I'm going to put in £10, okay? So you would put in either $20, because the minimum you could go into here is $20. So, but I'm just going to do £10 to show you how it's done. So I'm going to do that from my Wise bank account. Now you could do this from your online bank account, because remember, you're not buying crypto. Banks, traditional banks in the high street, don't like you buying crypto. They don't like you connecting with exchanges like Coinbase or Binance or any of the other exchanges. But this way, you're sending funds to another bank account, which is in this case my WireX account. So what I'm going to do is going to get the account number, and I'm going to go over to Wise, and I'm going to first off click on my Great British Pounds, and I'll leave a link for Wise down here as well. And I'm going to click here send, and I'm just going to put in here £10. So that's all I want to do, and then I click continue. Now it's saying to me, who do I want to send it to? I can send it to my wife or my daughter. I'm going to add a new recipient, and I'm going to do myself, And I'm going to put in the account number down here, you see, and then I'm going to go back and get the sort code, bring that back over here, pop that into there, click confirm. We've verified these details and created you as a recipient, so click continue. So they've verified that that's a real bank account. So here we go with sending the money. So first off, let's come to Wise, and I go to home because I want to make sure that you see this happening. So we've got £283 in there and 62. That other money that I've just withdrawn out of GPBots has not come yet. So I go here and I click confirm and send, and it says protect yourself from scammers. What's the transfer for? And sending money to myself. Click continue. Has someone told you to move the money because of a thing? No, nobody's done that. Has someone rushing you and pressuring you? No, I'm not doing it. These are normal standard things. Scams can happen to anyone. And then all I do is click continue to the payment. And now it's going to say, can I put my password in? So let me put my password in. That's already saved. And I click done. Now it's going to send me a text message on my phone. So let's get my phone up. I know you can't see this. It's off screen. And I've got my message down here. Click on done. That says it's sent. Okay, so I click done. So as you can see there, that says gone out to myself to £10. So if I go over to here, I should see this come in any moment. There you go. That just said added. So that went up to £293. So that's now added. So now what I want to do is put some money into here. So you can see I've got 76.46 at the top there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in $50, which is half of that money when it comes. I'm going to put that back in here. So I can either click on here to deposit or add funds. So it doesn't matter which one I click. It always brings me to the same screen. And that will bring me to this screen. Now what I want to do is click on the button in the top here to add physical funds, you see, because it knows I've already got this 76. So it's telling me I can buy this package for $20. And this one for $50 if I want to. But what I want to do is to add funds. So I'm going to click on this add funds button in the top right hand corner, and it gives me this pop-up. Now you can add any one of these currencies, but I'm going to add today BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, which is a BEP20 coin. So I'm going to click on that. I need to put a tick in this box and then confirm. And it gives me this address. So I'm going to highlight that and copy it. You can click on that button there and copy as well. And then what I'm going to do is go over to my WireX account. Now, I've got £10 in here. You remember I transferred that earlier. So the first thing I'm going to do is to change this into BUSD. So I'm going to, on the home screen here, you can click on either traditional or digital. Okay. Now, I don't have any BUSD. So I want to get some. So let's go to the traditional first, and I'm going to click on this one, the £10. And then what I'm going to do is you can see I've got my £10 there. I'm going to scroll down and click exchange. So now it asks me what coin do I want to exchange it for. And if I look down, I'm looking for BUSD. And if I come down, there's BUSD there. So I click on that and I put in there £10. It tells me I'm going to get 12.96 worth of BUSD. Confirm that. Click exchange. That's that added. So I've now got 53 pence left in pounds. So if I click on digital assets and then scroll down the screen, you can see that I've got $10 worth of BUSD. Now, I want to make this up to $50 worth. So I'm going to exchange some USTD. So I'm going to click on USTD, going to scroll down and exchange again. And again, it's asking me, what do I want to exchange it for? And I want to exchange it for this. BUSD. See, it says BUSD there. So I click on that one. And it says, how much do you want to do? So I'm going to do 40, which will give me 39. And I'll click continue and then click exchange. That's that done. Now on my digital assets, if I come down, I've got 52.67 of BUSD, which is £39. So I'm going to click on that. And then this time I'm going to come down to send. It's going to ask me for the network. Well, it's the Binance Smart Chain is what I want. Enter the wallet address. You can save the contact if you want to. So you could save this address for future. I'm not going to do that. And then I click continue. You're about to send funds using the Binance Smart Chain. Yep, I'm okay with that. Confirm that. How much would you like to send? I'm going to say use the maximum, so it's 52. And if I look over here, close this up, I've got 76 in there, okay? And I click continue. It says I can't send the full amount because there's a fee involved. So it says I'm going to send 47. So click continue. And then click send. It's going to remove the 52 from there. It sends me a text message. It does this for security reasons, always does it. So let's get that text message. So I pop that in there and then click confirm. So that money's been sent on its way. And as you can see now, my BUSD balance has gone down. So let's go back over to GPBots. So as you can see now, that money's come in. That balance has gone up to 124. So it shows here in green, it's got this green banner, what I can buy. So what I'm going to buy is I'm going to buy another 100 and another 20. So I'm going to do the 100 first. So I'm just going to click on that. I get this pop up. Confirm that I've read all that, which I never do. That says that's successful. Takes me to here. So I want to go back over to add funds again. So click on the add funds because that one was bought. I've got $24 left. So I'm just going to buy a $20 one. Then I'll be left with $4. So I click on this one. Get that pop up again. Click on confirm that. Click OK. And then if I come back over to the dashboard, you can now see that I've got zero balance in there. I've got $4.14 there. I can't withdraw that $4 over there because that's unavailable to purchase. I can only withdraw available profits. And then you can see that my active licenses now is $710. And I'm earning roughly about $80 to $100 a day from this. Absolutely blinding. If you want to join GPBots, below you'll find a link for that. If you want to open up a WireX account, you'll also find a link for that. If you want to open up a Wise bank account, you'll find a link for that. So as you can see, it's so easy to buy crypto using money in your maybe high street bank. Set up a Wise account. You can send it over to here. You can have a dollar account in here, or you can send the funds over to your WireX account. And then when you've got the funds in here, as you've seen, you can buy crypto and then send that crypto over to GPBots. And then when you take your profits out, you can have it sent over to your WireX account. You can order a card. I've got two cards with this, a physical card and a digital card that are used for stuff online. The physical card, I can take it into stores. I've also got free cards with this. I've got two physical cards. I've got one, the wife's got one, and I've also got a digital card. So it's very easy to set up. All you need to do is if you want a WireX account, click the link below. You'll find that in the description. If you want to set up a Wise account, click the link below. You'll find that also in the description. And if you want to set up an account with GPBots, click the link below and you'll find that in the description. And that's how easy it is to get set up with GPBots and those two bank accounts that I've just shown you. Start earning money today. Click the links below and come and join GPBot. You have a great day and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.